Hi and welcome to Python MyPy. In this lesson we're going to look at more assignment operators. We looked at the previous assignment operator with the equals sign, and now we're going to take a look at some more. To give you the basic concept of assignment operators, we're going to try a very simple sum. X equals 10. That is an assignment operator in that you've directly assigned 10 to x. Now, what if I wanted x to equal 12? Well, I can do this simply by going x equals x, add 2. And now, when we run this program and type in x, we'll then have 12. So what we're doing is we're saying x equals the value of itself with the addition of 12. Another way of doing this is to simply type in plus equals 2. And what this is now stating is that you're adding the number on this side to the number on this side. And it's a much shorter way of doing it. Rather than having x equals x add 2, we now have x add equals 2. So when we stop and we run this program again and type in x, you'll now see we have 12 as we did before. We can also apply the same principle to subtraction. So if for any reason we wanted to return it back to its previous state of 10, we can simply go x equals x minus 2. And then when we stop and run, we then receive 10. A shorter way of doing this is to simply replace this with minus equals. And then we'll have the same effect, as you can see. Next, I want to multiply the number by a given value. So to do this, we can go x equals x times 5, which should give us 50, as you can see. Or we can reduce this down to multiply equals 5. Then we stop and run again. We then receive the same number. As you can see, this is a much quicker way of typing in this kind of information. And it's quite common for programs to constantly update and change values as they progress. In the next lesson, we're going to take a look at some of the data types in Python, some of their limitations and how they should be used. Hi, if you'd like to see more content from us, please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.